Hi Legate viewers, welcome back to another episode of our beautiful domain series of videos. Today I'm with Dirk, our local agent here in this lovely village of the Gard, to present you this magnificent domain behind us. Can you tell me more about the area before we speak about the domain? Where are we?
We are in the Gard. It's a beautiful region in France. There is a lot to do in the Gard. You have beautiful rivers. You have beautiful villages here in the Gard. The property is located in Saint-Denis. You are very close to Louvain, very close to Barjac, very close to Saint-Ambroise. There you have all the commodities. You have restaurants, you have nice places, markets. It's
all amenities.
All amenities you can have. You need on vacation. It's very nice.
Yes, I've seen that for people who may not know the little village, we are like not far from Uzès, not far from Nîmes. So Gard is famous with Montpellier, Nîmes, Uzès, and the vineyards all around the place. When I drove this morning to that place, I crossed many beautiful villages on my way. Vineyards, the Gardon River, so many green and lovely rivers on the road. There's also an airport, which is how far?
The closest airport is Nîmes.
Nîmes, okay. There's Montpellier as well.
But you have TGV, Valence.
Oh, you have the fast train.
The fast train.
Yeah. So can you tell us more about the outside of the property?
The outside, it's the building, the property is 18th century, and it's totally renovated with very materials.
I've seen that.
You can come here.
Nothing to do. It's ready.
It's
ready to go.
It's ready to go.
Yeah, and so it comprises several buildings here. What have we got? The main house here.
The main house. It's a private main house. Mm-hmm. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different. That's for 4 people, 6 people. Another one, 6 people. It's very nice to come here. They have the swimming pool.
The garden is flat, it's secured, it's enclosed. And though we are really in the village, I mean, from the garden you have this beautiful view of over houses of the village. I could see the church from the upper terraces. Yes. So yes, the location is great. This is a really nice village, honestly. So
it's very unique from location because Saint-Denis is known one of the most beautiful villages in the Gard, and we are very close to Ardèche. Very famous, everybody knows Ardèche.
Of course,
we have,
and the Gorge de l'Ardèche, Vallon-Pont d'Arc, and you have the Pont du Gard, of course, dates back from 2,000 years old. The Romans built it, so that's a famous attraction in this area.
The waterfalls of Sautaudet.
Yes.
That's very famous.
So, I mean, there's so much to see and to do in this area. And
Garden is 1,002. And the swimming pool 10 by 5.
With a little terrace next to it.
The pool house, and there's a barbecue, you can play. There's a lot of
entertainment space. So great for kids, family. There's lots of little playgrounds around. So this area is also separated from that side of the courtyard with that wall. So there's no noise. You could even close the doors if you don't want to hear, let's say, the kids playing in the pool. So that's great to have this feature to separate this courtyard from the exterior.
It's also possible to have some seminars or marriage.
The weddings, of course.
The weddings we had. There's
large enough.
A semi-professional kitchen. It's the possibility to have a lot of people. 6
Gîtes, obviously, that's a perfect.
And even with the closed parking, you can.
Yeah, there's a large parking.
You can put your car, and it's security. It's all.
I mean, at least 10 cars, 15 cars. I don't know.
15, 20 cars. You can.
That's a large parking. So, speaking about the habitable space total around,
it's about 500 meters.
Square meters. Oh my God,
meters.
that's a lot.
The Gîtes which are not very small. They are
they're
even
comfortable, really nice, stone everywhere. The floorings are beautiful. There's air conditioning everywhere, from what I saw.
Everywhere conditioning.
That's probably a perfect investment for, let's say, a family who want to settle a new life in France, in the south of France, and also generate a generous income, because basically with 6 Gîtes, the potential is huge. Don't forget that in this area, not only it is really famous for all the local villages around, gastronomy, the food, the wines, and all the activities you can enjoy in here. The history, Nîmes, and the famous arenas from the Romans.
Yes.
And there's so much. I mean, I can't name them. There's so much to see and to do in this area. And with more than 300 days of sun a year, you're guaranteed to be booked and fully booked almost all year round, almost. So Dirk, as a summary, I'm an investor. Let's say I want to buy in France. I want to buy in the south of France because of the climate. First selling point, guys. Why would I invest here?
Because for the price they ask, there is a lot of potential. There's a lot of. It's a beautiful house. The location: Ardèche, Cévennes, Nîmes, gastronomy, vineyards. You have
landscape.
You have the Gîtes. You have the swimming pool. It's
six
very,
Gîtes.
and it's for me it's a lot of house. A lot of house.
Yeah,
a lot
that's
of
a good
potential.
point. That's a good point. If you consider what you get for the price is 6 different habitations in one. A really generous, beautiful, vaulted stone main house with like beautiful tables and everything. Don't forget that you can live here and it can be your job as well. I mean, you generate...
1,005.
Multiplied by 6, I'll let you calculate that, but that's a really comfortable income. Book the 6 Gîtes for 1,500, multiplied by how many weeks you want to rent it. So what do people need to do if they want to contact you?
They can call me.
Yeah, you'll find all the information below the video, a link to the property page, more pictures, everything, and the form to contact directly Dirk. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Drop your questions. Dirk will answer those questions, or I will answer those questions. Until then, he'll be super happy to organize a viewing for you if you want to. And see you soon in another episode of our houses tours in France. Bye-bye.
Bye.